In today's video, we're going to talk about protecting your health by cutting out 3 common ingredients that may be harming your body. By eliminating them, you can improve your energy, digestion, and overall well-being. Are you feeling sluggish, bloated, or just not at your best? You might be eating ingredients every day that are making things worse. Today, I'm going to show you how to protect your health by cutting out just 3 ingredients. By the end of this video, you'll know which ingredients to avoid and what to eat instead to feel your best. Let's get started. Here's what we'll cover today. What are the 3 ingredients? Why they're bad for you? How to avoid them? Healthy alternatives, success stories, engagement and interaction. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to make simple but powerful changes in your diet that can protect your health. What are the 3 ingredients? Let's start with the ingredients you need to cut out: refined sugar. Refined sugar is hidden in so many foods, from sodas to sauces. It's one of the leading causes of inflammation, weight gain, and energy crashes. Trans fats. Trans fats are found in processed and fried foods. They're linked to heart disease and high cholesterol. Artificial additives. These include artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives found in many packaged foods. They can lead to digestive issues and allergies. Why these ingredients are bad for you? Refined sugar. When you eat too much sugar, your blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to fatigue, cravings, and even diabetes over time. Trans fats. These fats raise your bad cholesterol and lower your good cholesterol. Eating them regularly can increase your risk of heart problems. Artificial additives. These chemicals are used to extend the shelf life of foods or make them look more appealing. But they can cause headaches, digestive issues, and allergic reactions in some people. How to avoid them? Here's how you can easily remove these ingredients from your refined sugar. Check labels. Sugar is often listed as high fructose corn syrup or cane sugar. Choose natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup instead. Trans fats. Avoid fried and processed foods. Choose healthier fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts. Artificial additives. Choose whole, fresh foods instead of processed ones. If you can't pronounce the ingredients on the label, it's probably better to avoid it. Healthy alternatives: natural sweeteners instead of refined sugar. Try sweetening your food with fruit, honey, or maple syrup. Healthy fats. Switch to fats like olive oil, coconut oil, or omega-3 rich foods like salmon and flax seeds. Whole foods focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins are better for your body. Common mistakes. One common mistake people make is thinking that low-fat or diet versions of foods are better. These often have more sugar or artificial ingredients to make up for the flavor. Always read labels carefully. Meet John. He used to suffer from constant fatigue and weight gain. Once he cut out refined sugar and trans fats, his energy levels improved, and he lost 15 pounds in 3 months. Another story is Lisa. She had digestive problems for years. After eliminating artificial additives, her digestion improved, and she no longer suffers from bloating. Here are some visuals you can show to support what I'm saying. Ingredient lists: alternative foods success stories. What ingredient was the hardest for you to cut out? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. I challenge you to go 1 week without any refined sugar or trans fats and share your progress in the comments or on social media using the hashtag #HealthySwapChallenge. Remember, these small changes can have a huge impact on your health. It might be tough at first, but once you start to feel the benefits, you'll see it's worth it. Stay consistent and don't give up. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips. Check out my other video on healthy meal planning for more ideas on how to eat clean and feel great. To recap, we talked about the 3 ingredients you should cut out: refined sugar, trans fats, and artificial additives. By avoiding these, you can improve your energy, protect your heart, and feel better overall. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into meal prepping for a healthy lifestyle. As always, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet, especially if you have any existing health conditions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.